need some method of transportation. I mean, but like something fast, something with power. This thing's fun. This thing can move, so I'm gonna get some more, even more, electrical tape on that. So, saw the test ride, did that. That's technically second time I've ridden it, because the first time I tried it a while ago, back when the wheel wasn't supported. Oh! I just now noticed, the little plastic cap that is normally right here is gone. Some more on the roads. You can't really see it, but I was supposed to, putting essentially the wrong size bolt inside the hole that I drilled in this axle, which is already very, very thin. I think it's a ½ inch diameter, maybe even less. I was supposed to putting a bolt inside that, which was what I was originally doing, and also it was kind of the wrong size bolt, because I don't have too diverse of a cap and die set. And I don't have too many bolts, or I didn't. It's kind of wrong size, so it didn't work that well, so the wheel fell off. But instead what I did is I just found a bolt that had a nut that went with it, cut it, and then welded it onto the axle. So now you just put the nut on the axle on the other side. This one is just held on, it just goes on that way. There was a plastic cap there, but I guess it's gone now. So the reason I'm kind of out of breath is because after I test rode it, put away camera, and decided I would try and ride around the neighborhood. Made it about an eighth of the way of the neighborhood because it's in an oval shape. And then the chain slipped off, but that is only because the idle was slightly too high, and so I had to be putting my feet on a bunch. So yeah, it's fixable. I'm going to go for another ride. Need to tighten up some bolts, I think. That one feels loose. You know, get more tape for that. A few minor things, and I might put some more gas in it so I don't run out. And I'm going to try and go to a vending machine that's maybe a quarter mile away from here, maybe half a mile. Let's try it out. Something nice about working on this thing is this bit of wood right here. It's a triangular. Don't know if you can see that. That's the chain tensioner. Now the chain is not on right now, so it's very, very loose. Essentially, once I got everything together, I realized, you know, there's no chain tensioner, and it was too loose as was. So I just took this triangular bit of wood, put it in between the axle and the engine mount, and there's enough flex in the engine mount compared to the frame that just tap it in and it holds the chain tight. But whenever the chain ends up falling off, because it's not that good of a chain tensioner, you just lift it up, because, you know, this thing is always doing a wheelie unless you're sitting on it. Lift it up slightly more so it's on the rearward, it's actually resting on the engine mount, then just slide the wood thing under, and now the wheels are off the ground, so you can work on it, because, you know, you need to do that a lot. That is hot, and the clutch was kind of smoking earlier, so I think I'm beating it up a bit, but it's brand new, really. So, ow, that is extremely hot. It's I think it's just really just, you know, working it in, breaking it in. I'm tired. I'm just gonna go ride this.
Oh shit. I need to do that, right?
So, you know, something nice about working on this, you can tell I'm tired. Something nice working.